Wow, look at this church here. It looks like it's abandoned. Look at that beautiful dome on the top there. Why is this thing abandoned? I know they built a new church just right down the street here, but what's wrong with this one? Looks like it's a pretty strong brick building. Look at that. Wow, from this angle you can see straight into the church there. Looks like there's a walkway that people have walked up to there. I don't want to walk up there. Maybe snakes in this grass. I'm cool on that. Huh. Let's keep going.